Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Quranic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session, we will be studying these two lines of the 8th page of Al-Qaida Nuraniya. And this slide is just a reminder for those of you who will be relying on transliteration. Okay, so this is a dha on its own. Dha, dha. First one is sad, the second is ba. Sad ba, sad ba. The first one is ta, the second is ba. Ta ba, ta ba. The first letter is dad, the second is alif. Dad alif, dad alif. The first letter is dha, the second one is alif. Dha alif, dha alif. This is ayn on its own. Ayn, ayn. Ghayn on its own. Ghayn, ghayn. Hamza on its own. Hamza, hamza. The first letter is ayn, the second is za. Ayn za, ayn za. The first letter is ghayn, the second is ra. Ghayn ra, ghayn ra. The first letter is sad, the second one is ayn. Sad ayn, sad ayn. The first letter is dad, the second is ghayn. Dad ghayn, dad ghayn. So this is the end of this session. In next session we will be practicing those two lines 10 times to give you enough practice, inshallah. We will see you in next session. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.